Hey guys, so in this video we're going to go through the functionality of the Discord publisher. It's pretty simple. So on the Discord side, what you're going to have is messages published like this, and all you got to do inside your channel is have an integration and webhook, and you just create a new one here. Well, I'm just going to do it for you one more time. So here it is. Go to any of your channels, for instance here, new channel, or edit a current channel, and go to integrations, go create a webhook, It doesn't matter. I'm gonna actually get rid of this one. I think I pressed on the wrong channel. So here's a Discord chat. There you go, integrations, create a webhook. It created one, copy the web URL, that's all you need. And inside the indicator, just paste it here and select which account you want to work it for. Okay, so I'm on the playback now, and just gonna start my playback. And so you see it's playback here, so it subscribes to every single fill event on the order book on the whole market, right? So not just particular symbol, but like for the whole market. So you just have to open one chart, enable this indicator on that particular chart, and minimize it, and you will get notified. So for instance, if I go ahead and open any other chart, I will get updates in my Discord once I open a position there. So you can open the position here. If I go to Discord, here's the Discord test. So there it is, NinjaTrader, instrument name, what I did, quantity, price, and order type. Okay, so now many people, this is the easy part. Okay, so you close it. Whatever you do, whenever there's a fill, Discord will update. Okay, in case of selling, it will just be red. In case of buying, it will be green. Okay, so when you get the source code, you will see how you can easily manage whatever you are sending, and you can use this from within your strategies. Okay, so many people say, okay, I want my users to get notified when I set a profit target. Okay, so this is something that you have to do from within the strategy, because like if you just set it up generically like this, it's just subscription to an order book, okay, and sending messages when an order gets filled. If you want really specific logic, you can use what I have here in the source code, but just pass those Discord messages from your strategy, right? Like for example, when it trails or when it moves the profit target or whatever, or have some custom UI here done. Okay, we can do it for you when you're doing something, because it's like that, custom UI or from within the strategy, or just generically order book fill events. Okay, guys, so please welcome to my website and just proceed to get the source code and source code review.